Welcome back. You're tuned in to Closing Bell, and we are coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal newsroom. Well, it's that time of the day where we get Nimesh in to tell us what he's picking up in terms of D-Street chatter. Nimesh, what's the buzz today?
Well, actually, it's all over the place, right? The Adani stocks are doing good. The broader market is relatively outperforming because of the Adani stocks, but the Nifty is down 120 points. So, as I said, it's all over the place. Even the flows are not very directional, so to speak. No specific sector preferences is there in today's trade. It's very selective, is what I understand. But today, as I said earlier as well, the big number will come because of the Adani block. So, the FI data will get impacted to a larger extent because of the Adani block deals. The sector which is under pressure is technology, I guess largely because of profit booking and the fact that the US 10-year is now back to 4%. So that's a bit of nervousness as far as the technology stocks are concerned. Technically, we are still in that range between 17,200 on the downside and maybe 17,600, 17,650 on the upside. So we are just holding in that range. But I guess today is, as I said, it's all over the place. But the big news today, which has been a big talking point as well, is the large blocks in the Adani Group stocks.
Nimesh, before we came to you, Surbi, you were just highlighting that very few stocks are trading in the green. And one of them is IndusInd Bank. So I guess that's one of the stocks that's featuring on the list. Yes. So tell us why, and also the other stocks on your list.
Okay. So as you said, the first stock on my list today is IndusInd Bank. That stock off late has been under pressure. It's up in today's trade, but largely what I understand is big selling from a leading FI seems to be largely over in IndusInd Bank. But from a near-term trigger, I think the most important thing to track would be the reappointment of the CEO. That is likely to come in the next couple of weeks. So that's something to track as far as IndusInd Bank is concerned. The second stock is Indian Hotels. Now, for the last couple of days, the feedback is there is some buying coming back in this particular stock. So the delivery market is quite high, and some bit of interest is back from large institutions to buy into Indian Hotels at this price. So that's the second stock. The third stock is HCL Tech. Well, I spoke about the entire technology pack doing relatively weak today and it's under pressure. HCL Tech is the only stock where there's some bit of buying interest is back. So first signs of some institutional activity is picking up in HCL Tech. That's the feedback from dealing rooms. And the last stock is Bharti Airtel. That stock is under pressure today. And again, there is a buzz of a large block deal coming in Bharti very soon. It's going to be a non-promoter block, so that's not a worry. But there is a big buzz of a large block coming in Bharti Airtel very soon.
All right, Nimesh, thanks very much. So that's an interesting list as always. Bharti, HCL Tech, Indian Hotels and IndusInd Bank are the four names which Nimesh is putting out to watch out for. All right, Mitesh is with us to tell you